This is not a test, it's difficulties. Picture closely, the ignorant mostly. Blind, deaf, dumb, your mind left numb. Lost soul, who failed to hear the roll of the drum. In the bottom of your bomb shelter, still felt the heavy blast that blew off the mass of 12 welders. The math of an elder. Praise the Lord, thank you genius. Operation Project English, Commander Chief of Flight Staff. Check the aircraft, glide like the Frisbee. Digi or Disney, to check fault in oneself with real loveliness. You break the mirror that remind you of your ugliness. So when I bust, no one is in touch. Some returning with the mic clutch, like such, who plan but never execute. He had the heat in his hand, but yo, he didn't shoot. Therefore, your mechanism of material better be sickly, or let your lead spread incredibly quickly. I move bravely, traveling on a horse, on a battlefield, surrounded by the loss of those who plotted with the brains of animals. My high molecular structure, the intangible, the name ring a bell. Killable, 2-syllable, the who is coming through, the outcome was critical, to be blunt. The beat was cooked up like coke goods. The rhyme first came to me in the oak woods. Up to no good, rap icon, milk the industry like the Wall Street junk bond. You see the Dwight Stone, I got your height stone. Direct currents that move through the microphone. Key contributor, well-known major factor. Rhyme distributor, the drive of a tractor who run you down if you don't move but wanna linger. Linger, 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 linger.
Break up 1-9, clear the line, can you read me? Show that you're rhymes. MCs should expect the worst, but stay alert and shoot first. Break up 1-9, clear the line, can you read me? Show that you're rhymes. MCs should expect the worst, but stay alert and shoot first.
The immortality of my fame is the measure of others' torture. Burnt offer from a flaming author. The falconer flies and the birds for the chase. Strictly excel in what is excellence with grace. The significance was not the vulgar applause and entrance, but the feeling at exit, completion of a sentence. With age and experience, my reason ripens. I strike on you Vikings, slash like a hyphen. If you're into the house of fortune, by the gate of pleasure, you will leave by sorrow with low measures. Everything fails with the unfortunate. Learned that recording it, so my mind broadened it. Track records ranks us with the exceptional, extreme complex physics, high technical. The truth is usually seen and rarely heard. What's more dangerous than hatred is the word. You wild cards, jack of all trades, those who parade their positions, show their spades. A large flock of MCs, they figure should be taught. It ain't hard to see why I'm vigorously sought.
Break up 1-9, clear the line, can you read me? Show that you're rhymes. MCs should expect the worst, but stay alert and shoot first. Break up 1-9, clear the line, can you read me? Show that you're rhymes. MCs should expect the worst, but stay alert and shoot first. Break up 1-9.
Yours, the world is yours.
It's mine, it's mine, whose world is this? It's mine, it's mine, it's mine, whose world is this?
The world is yours, the world is yours.
It's mine, it's mine,
I sip the Don Pete, watching Gandhi till I'm charged and writing in my book of rhymes. All the words past the margin, the whole of mic I'm throbbing. Mechanical movement, understandable smooth shit that murderers move with. The thief's theme, play me at night, they won't act right. The fiend of hip-hop has got me stuck like a crack pipe. The mind activation, react like I'm facing time like Pappy Mason. With pins I'm embracing, wipe the sweat off my dome, spit the phlegm on the streets. Suede Timbs on my beats makes my cipher complete. Weather cruising in a 6 cab, a Montero Jeep, I can't call it. The beats make me falling asleep, I keep falling, but never falling 6 feet deep. I'm out for presidents to represent me.
Say what?
I'm out for presidents to represent me.
Say what?
I'm out for dead presidents to represent me.
Whose world is this?
The world is yours. The world is yours.
It's mine, it's mine, whose world is this?
The world is yours. The world is yours.
It's mine, it's mine, whose world is this? It's mine, it's mine, it's mine, whose world is this?
The world is yours. The world is yours.
It's mine, it's mine, whose
To my man
world is
Ill Will,
this?
God bless bless your life. To my peoples throughout Queens, God bless your life. I trick Reeboks on crazy bitches, aiming guns and all my baby pictures. Beef with housing police, release scriptures that's maybe Hitler's. Yet I'm the mal, money getting style, rolling foul. The versatile honey, sticking wild, golden child, dwelling in the rotten apple. You get tackled, caught by the devil's lasso. A hassle. There's no days for broke days. We sellin' smoke pays while all the old folks pray to Jesus, soaking their sins in trays. A holy water, odds against nods and slaughter. Think of the word best describing my life. To name my daughter my strength. My son to start will be my resurrection. Born in correction. All the wrong shit I did, he'll lead in right direction. How you living large or broke or charge cards are mediocre. You flipping coca, playing spit spades and strip poker.
It's mine, it's mine, it's mine. Whose world is this?
The world is yours, the world is yours.
It's mine, it's mine, whose world is this? It's mine, it's mine, it's mine, whose world is this?
Yo, the world is yours, the world is yours.
It's mine, it's mine, whose world is this?
I'm the young city bandit, hold myself down single-handed. For murder raps, I kick my thoughts alone, get remanded. Born alone, die alone, no crew to keep my crown a throne. I'm deep, I sound alone. Cave inside 1,000 miles from home. I need a new nigga for this black cloud to follow. Cause while it's over me, it's too dark to see tomorrow. Trying to maintain, I flip, fill the clip to the tip. Picturing my peeps, now the ink can make my heartbeat skip. And I'm amped up, they like to champ up. Even my brains in handcuffs, headed for Indiana, stabbing women like the Phantom. The crew is lamping Big Willie style. Check the chip to smile, plus I profile wow. Stash through the flock clothes, burning dollars, delight my stole, walk the blocks with a bop. Checking Danes plus the games people play, bust the problems of the world today.
I've taken my bows at my curtain calls. You brought me fame and fortune and everything that goes with it. I thank you all, but it's been no bed of roses.
Yes. Gentlemen, very proud of the efforts today. Good job. I'm very proud of coaching you, Coach Ray, and I am very happy. Enjoy this minute, enjoy the time. Remember, win like champions today, all right?